Hello students, welcome you again class 10 information technology. So today I will discuss some fill in the blanks or MCQ based questions. Clear? Okay. So first question. In my previous class I will discuss 12 questions. Clear? Now the question number 1. The question number 1 is dash is one of the functions available in the spreadsheet to perform addition of selected numbers in the sheet. So dash is one of the functions available in the spreadsheet to perform addition of selected numbers in the sheet. So we know that answer is sum. Sum is one of the functions available in the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means MS Excel. What is the extension of MS Excel? .xls or .xlsx. Clear? So dash is one of the functions available in the spreadsheet to perform addition of selected numbers in the sheet. So the answer is sum. So second one, question number 2. AutoSum automatically selects the values around the cells either dash or blank. So AutoSum is basically a feature. AutoSum automatically select the values around the cells, answer is either vertically or horizontally, or you can say that either horizontally or vertically. So the answer is vertically. VERTICALLY or horizontally HORIZONTALLY. So AutoSum automatically selects the values around the cells either vertically or horizontally. Okay, next one. Third one, question number 3. Question number 3. Layout option is available under dash group in the home tab. So layout option is available under dash group in the home tab. So layout option is available under slide group in the home tab. So the third question is layout option is available under dash group in the home tab. So the option is under slide group in the home tab. Okay, next one, question number 4. So question number 4 is that presentation software enables the user to add tables in the slides in order to represent the dash data meaningfully. The dash data meaningfully. So the answer is Presentation software enables the user to add tables in the slides in order to represent the dash data meaningfully. So the answer is the statistical data meaningfully. So the answer is statistical. So the answer is statistical data meaningfully. Clear? Okay, next one. Question number 5. Time management. Time management is the act of planning to stay organized that will result in increased blank and blank. So time management is basically a feature. Time management is the act of planning to stay organized that will result in increased dash and dash or blank and blank. So the answer is time management basically features, two features are there, that means efficiency and productivity. So time management is basically depend upon efficiency and productivity. So time management is the act of planning to stay organized that will result in increased efficiency and productivity. Clear everyone? Okay, next one. Question number 6. Question number 6. The sixth question. Dash appointments can be used for scheduling respective or repetitive task. So dash appointments can be used for scheduling repetitive tasks. So the answer is recurring appointment. So the answer is recurring appointment. Recurring appointment can be used for scheduling repetitive task. Okay, seventh one. Question number 7. So the seventh one question is dash statement is used to add one or more records to a database. So dash statement is used to add one or more records to a database. So the answer is insert. Insert statement is used to add one or more records to a database. Okay, next one, eighth one. Question number 8. Dash or blank dash statement retrieves 0 or more rows from one. Dash statement retrieves 0 or more rows from one or more database tables. So which statement retrieves 0 or more rows from one or more database table? The answer is select. So select statement retrieves 0 or more rows from one or more database tables. Okay, next one, question number 9. So the next one is question number 9, some MCQ based questions. Okay, so question number 9, the spelling and grammar tool indicates option number A. The spelling and grammar tool indicates, option number A indicates grammatical errors, option number B corrects spelling errors as you type, option C identifies words with capitalization problems, option number D all of above. So the spelling and grammar tool basically indicates grammatical errors or corrects spelling errors as you type, identifies words with capitalization problems, or all of above. So the answer is the spelling and grammar tool indicates the grammatical error, also indicates the correct spelling errors as you type, and also identifies words with capitalization problems, all of above. So the answer is all of above. Clear? Next one, question number 10. Question number 10. Which is not a font style? Which is not a font style? So the options are, option number A bold, option number B superscript, option number C italic, option number D regular. So which is not a font style? Bold, superscript, italic or regular. We know that bold is also a font style, italic also a font style, and regular also a font style. So which is not a font style? So superscript is not a font style. So the answer is option number B superscript. Clear? Okay, next one, 11th one. To spell check which function key you will press. So to spell check which function key you will press, option number A that is F5, option number B F6, option number C F7, and option number D F8. So to spell check which function key you will press, to spell check we will press F7. So the answer is F7 keys. To spell check which function key you will press, we will press F7 key. So the answer is option number C F7. Okay, next one, 12, question number 12. Question number 12. So which of the following is an absolute cell reference? Option number A, not A. Option number B, $A, $1. Option number C, hash, small a, hash 1. Option number D, A1. Cell reference, or which of the following is an absolute cell reference? Absolute cell reference means the mark. So the answer is $A, $1. This is called absolute cell reference. Clear? So in my previous class I will discuss about 12 multiple choice questions or fill in the blanks. This class I will also discuss another 12 MCQ questions. Clear? Okay. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.